Through many paths the focus stayed on form and outer gain, until a deeper call arose beyond the passing plane. As focus shifts, the form must change to match what seeks to rise. The inner self reshapes its field through where the heart now lies. What once was bound to weight and sense now opens into view. The path of change unfolds within, toward what is clear and true. Like white light broken into tones when passing through the glass, the one true source expresses more as stages come and pass. The longing turns from outer reach to truth that waits inside. A finer form begins to shape where deeper aims abide. As focus shifts, the form must change to match what seeks to rise. The inner self reshapes its field through where the heart now lies. What once was bound to weight and sense now opens into view. The path of change unfolds within, toward what is clear and true. First comes the turning of desire from lesser aims to high. Then inner substance learns a new and brighter way to try. At last the whole is made anew, refined from core to frame. A radiant form of living true, beyond the former name. Through steady practice, chosen name, and renewal of the mind, the self unlocks its higher state, no longer left behind. From physical to finer form, the sacred change is shown. The evolution stands revealed as truth made clearly known. Ascend, becoming alone. Ascend.